As we grow older, independence, comfort, and safety become more important than ever, and the right tools can make all the difference. From shower chairs that prevent slips to walkers that glide effortlessly outdoors, these essential gadgets for seniors are designed to make daily life easier, safer, and more enjoyable. This heavy-duty shower chair is designed to give seniors and individuals with mobility challenges a safe and confident showering experience. Its non-slip feet and crossbar frame provide rock-solid stability even in wet conditions, while the ergonomic armrests and back support make standing and sitting effortless and secure. With adjustable height settings and tool-free assembly, it fits seamlessly in any shower or bathtub, adapting to each user's comfort and needs. This lotion applicator makes applying creams and lotions effortless, even to those hard-to-reach spots on your back. With its adjustable handle and smooth rolling applicator head, it glides easily over the skin, evenly spreading lotion while gently massaging sore muscles. Unlike stiff back brushes, this ergonomic design provides a relaxing, therapeutic experience that soothes tension and promotes circulation. The Magic Opener Combo is a true game-changer for seniors and anyone who struggles with tight bottle caps or stubborn pull tabs. Designed to open up to 16 different cap sizes, this ergonomic tool effortlessly handles everything from plastic bottles to soda and soup cans. Its comfortable grip eliminates strain on hands and wrists, making it ideal for those with arthritis or limited strength. This 2-foot portable wheelchair ramp offers a safe and convenient way to overcome small steps, curbs, or doorways, perfect for seniors, wheelchair users, or anyone using a walker or scooter. Built from high-strength aluminum, it supports up to 800 pounds while staying lightweight and easy to carry with its built-in handle. The non-slip textured surface and side safety rails provide reliable traction and stability, even in wet conditions. The LED page magnifier with detachable stand brings clarity and comfort to reading, crafting, or any detailed task, perfect for seniors or anyone with low vision. Its anti-glare lens and 24 bright SMD LEDs provide crisp, strain-free visibility, while the 3 touch-controlled lighting modes let users customize brightness for any setting. The hands-free collapsible stand keeps pages steady and eliminates the need to hold the magnifier, adding convenience and freedom. The adjustable standing assist device is a life-changing tool for seniors or anyone with back, knee, or mobility challenges who need reliable support when standing. Its non-slip, sturdy construction and adjustable height settings provide safety and comfort across various daily situations, from gardening and floor repairs to getting up from a sofa or picking up items. Lightweight and compact for easy transport, it's designed for both home and travel use, ensuring help is always within reach. The sturdy bed rails are designed to bring safety, stability, and peace of mind to seniors or anyone needing extra support while getting in and out of bed. Built from reinforced aluminum, they hold up to 330 pounds of pressure while remaining lightweight and travel-friendly. With a simple one-handed fold button and adjustable height, users can easily position the rail for comfort and accessibility. The orthopedic bed wedge pillow set provides customizable comfort and therapeutic support for seniors and anyone seeking pain relief or better sleep posture. Its ergonomic curved design and high-density foam adapt to the body's natural shape, easing pressure on the back, neck, and legs. Ideal for recovery or managing conditions like acid reflux, GERD, and post-surgery pain, this set keeps the body properly aligned for optimal rest. The clip-on light is a thoughtful and versatile reading companion designed to make nighttime reading easier and healthier for seniors and book lovers alike. Its sturdy anti-slip clip and flexible 360-degree gooseneck allow users to position the light exactly where it's needed on a headboard, desk, or bedside table. The MaxWalk walker with seat offers mobility, comfort, and safety all in one sleek design, perfect for seniors who value independence. Its 8-inch all-terrain rubber wheels glide smoothly over any surface, while the built-in brake cables and dual braking system ensure total control and security. The lightweight yet sturdy aluminum frame supports up to 300 pounds, featuring a wide padded seat, backrest, and storage pouch for comfort and convenience on the go. The 12-inch shower grab bars provide reliable support and peace of mind for seniors, those recovering from injury, or anyone needing extra stability in slippery areas. Featuring powerful suction cups with locking latches, they install in seconds, no drilling or tools required, and can be easily removed or repositioned without damage. The anti-slip grip and contoured wave design ensure a firm, comfortable hold, supporting up to 240 pounds per bar for enhanced safety. The heating pad for neck and shoulders is designed to bring soothing relief after long days or chronic tension, especially for seniors seeking daily comfort. Its 2-pound weighted design and fast heating coils deliver gentle, even warmth across the neck and shoulders in just 30 seconds, easing stiffness and fatigue. With 6 heat levels and 4 timer settings, users can personalize their therapy for optimal relaxation and safety, featuring an automatic shutoff for peace of mind.